Okay, for this next section, what we need to do is we need to set out where our doors and our windows go. So as you can see, there are windows in it, one at either end, and there's some doors are in it. So when we look down on the plan, we can see there's a door going from the entry into the room, and we can see that there's a front door here. So what we want to do is we want to set out where our windows and our doors go, because they're fixed. We can't change them. So when we go to build the wall, we need to make sure we put them in the correct spot. So we've already done our top plate or our bottom plate. You're going to do 2 of these, and that's how you're going to build the wall later on. But on here, on your floor plan, what we want to do is we want to set out the windows. So first of all, we're going to set out this window here. It tells me that it's 138 millimeters wide, the window. So we want the centre of the window to be in the centre of this wall. And you can see there's a ridge line here that indicates the centre of the roof. So we want the centre of this window to be in the centre of this wall. Now we know this wall from here to here is 298. So what's half of 298? This is where you need to do your simple maths. And this is how I got taught in primary school. So it's 298 divided by 2. You can write your calculations on here because it makes it look good. 2 into 2 goes once. 2 into 9 goes 4 times with 1 left over. That makes that one 18. 2 into 18 becomes 9. So my centre measurement will be 149. So I'm going to measure from here 149. So that's my centre measurement. Now my window is 138 millimeters wide, so we need to make sure the centre of the window is in the centre of the room, so we need to go either side half of 138. So that's 138 divided by 2. 2 into 1 doesn't go. 2 into 13 goes 6 times. 2 times 6 equals 12 with 1 left over. That makes that 18. So that makes this 69. So my halfway measurement of my window will be 69. So what I can do is I can set the centre measurement to be on 69, and then all I need to do is measure at 0 and my window measurement of 138. And this is my window opening. Same at the other end. Our window is, once again, it's 138 millimeters wide, but instead of the window being in the centre of this wall, it's actually in the centre of this room. So this room is actually, as it shows on the plan here, from there to there is 238. So 238 divided by 2. 2 into 2 goes once. 2 into 3 goes once with 1 left over. That makes 18. 119. So my measurement, my centre measurement for this room, for the window, will be 119. So that's it there. My centre. And according to my measurement here, the window is 138. So we need to go 69 either side. So we're going to put my measurement on 69. 69, and I'm going to mark it at 0 and 138. So that's my window. That's where our window is going. Now the next one is the doors. According to this one here, this door in here, you can see this is the centre line, and we want to put a door on this side of the centre line. So our door width, we're going to make 80 millimeters. So 80 millimeter door width. So what we need to do here is find the centre of this, of which was 149. So that's the centre. Now our door is going to be 80 millimeters across. There's our 80 there, and that becomes our door. Same on the porch side here. So our porch measurement was 193. 193, or was it 192? I think it was 193 or 192 there. There's a bit of a mistake here. So we'll say 192. So 192 divided by 2. 2 into 1 doesn't go, 2 into 19 goes 9 times, 2 times 9 equals 18. Carry the 1. 2 into 12 goes 6 times, so our centre measurement should be 96. So we want to have a measurement of 96. And we want to put a centre through there so we know it's a centre. And then our door is going to be 80 millimetres across, so that halfway of 80 is what? That's something you need to figure out. So this is our door. So we've worked out where how long our tops and bottom plates are, our timber is going to be to build our wall frame. We've worked out where our doors go, how wide our doors are going to be, and we've worked out our window. So the next thing we need to do is now to figure out some wall junctions. We'll do some wall junctions next. But the next thing, now that you've got this done, we're in readiness to build the wall. So for example, here is part of a wall being built already. So the next one will be about, you need to measure and mark and cut this to how long? 500 millimetres. Then we're going to do a blocked end on one end, and we're going to do a wall junction. Actually, that might go that way. We want to put a wall junction here because when we put a wall up, this wall will be going this way. We want to make sure there's an internal corner here, and the same here on this side. When we put the wall up there, we want to make sure there's an internal corner there for fixing plaster, or fixing anything like into here or into here. So we want to create internal corners for fixing for the interior materials. Same on this side. That's why it's a blocked end.